Okay, so what you have to do is to head over to this website. I'll leave the link in the description of this video, and then just click on this, and so you can install Reactor installer. And then what you have to do is just to go to open Davinci Resolve, and then go to Workspace, and then Console. And here you just have to drag that file from that website I just showed you, I just told you about. Just drag that file here. So just grab that file and drag it here. I already did that. So, and then you're just gonna wait for the installation to complete. And then once the installation has been completed, you can see from here script, comp, and Reactor, and you can open Reactor. And if the installation has been completed, you're already gonna see, Reactor. And this is what you're gonna see when you install Reactor. Here you can add different things from here. There's a lot of ads you can add. But yeah, that's what you have to do. And if you close React, you can just open from here React. Very simple. React, open React. And yeah, just wait for that installation to complete, and that's what you have to do. I really hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and take care.